Shout out to my girl, Ona. Yay! Ona Kapanga. Woohoo! Yay! That's Mama Ona.
Go Bella! Go Manaya! That's my Uncle Trevor's granddaughters, Bella and Manaya. There's Ela behind her. And no, I don't see Lauren.
This is our group, Tuapa Ohomotu Kolonga. We're going to take you on a journey today through our beautiful village of Tuapa Ohomotu. Then we're going to teach you how to make raw fish. So if you keep an ear out, you'll hear when it's time, when the squeeze of the lemon and the adding of the coconut. And after that, we're going to go and whakahau-hau. We're going to take you to where the kings used to bathe in the old days. And then you'll see also Kalepipi and Mafala gets mentioned in here as the House of Peace. This is the first meeting house in Niue, and it's called Kalepipi and Mafala. So sit back and enjoy Tuleo Pui Puyo.
Kakisia e whenongaela! Wakikila e puluala mai! Pelangiai! Wamawhanasia!